Hi everyone. Let me show you how to calculate distances between A and B points in a bulk Excel file. So I promise you don't need any technical knowledge, no formulas required, no macros or coding. Just stay with me for the next minute and I'll show you how to do it very easily and very quickly. So let's begin with the calculation. This is our Excel file that we'll be using, which contains start and end points in all our distance calculations. It's 97 rows long and it contains clear statements where we start, where we end. So it's just to consider that we should be clear with defining the start and end point. If we, for example, just have a city, the app might recognize it as some street in a different country or in a different region and not as a city. And that's why it's important to be clear with those statements. So let's close it now. I'll enter the SUMIFAI app, which calculates the distances with no additional efforts. So we choose the file, we analyze it. In a one click, we choose which sheet we want, since we have two sheets in the Excel file, and then we choose the start and end point. We click on the calculate distances, and the app will further do its job itself. So no settings, no technical knowledge required. It's just way how you format your rows, your columns with start and end point, and everything else will be done by the app. Okay, so the file has been successfully calculated. We have here 94 rows processed and two errors. So let's see what happened here. Here's our file. So these are the selected columns, start and end column. And the new columns that we received after these calculations are the distance one and travel time one. So let's see where are the errors. So we have the two errors there for the start and end point, which are the same city. So there's nothing to calculate. Let's see the second one, again, the same one. So that's all fine and correctly calculated. And for the other ones, you can type it in yourself in Google Maps and see that everything was calculated in regards to distance and travel time correctly. So now what we can do, we can download the Excel file, we can open it and see if the same appears as in the previous window. So yes, if we check it, so exactly the same appears here as well. So this is how we calculate distances for the supply chain, logistics sector, or whatever sector it needs to be done in a way that doesn't require any coding knowledge, any technical knowledge. So just try it out. You can try it out even for free. And yeah, I'll be very happy to get your feedback and maybe some improvements that we can implement into our app if you have any new ideas. Thank you very much and wish you pleasant business processes.